Imagine a chatbot that doesn't just respond, but truly understands and engages. That's the power Deepseek API unlocks. Today, we're diving deep into integrating the Deepseek API into your chatbot, transforming it into a sophisticated conversational agent. First, you'll need your Deepseek API credentials. This involves signing up on the Deepseek platform and generating your unique API key. Think of this key as your access pass to their powerful AI models. Next, you'll want to set up your chatbot application to make API calls. This means configuring your application to send user queries to the Deepseek API and receive intelligent responses back. The core of the integration involves sending structured requests. Your chatbot will package the user's input, along with relevant parameters, and send it over to the Deepseek API endpoints. Deepseek's advanced natural language processing capabilities then take over. It analyzes the text, understands context, intent, and sentiment, preparing a nuanced and relevant reply. Once the API returns the processed response, your chatbot application will receive this data. You'll then format this information to be presented back to your user in a clear and conversational manner. By following these steps, you're equipping your chatbot with cutting-edge AI, enabling it to provide seamless, engaging, and truly intelligent interactions for your users. Dive in and build the future of conversation.